Today, we're going to build a record player using 6 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 2x3 brown plate piece. And now, on the left side, our left side, we're going to grab this 2x2 turntable. Now, technically, this is 2 pieces, a 2x2 turntable base and a 2x2 turntable top. But you know, that's when you're putting your models together the very first time. After you've built it, after you put these 2 things in, you know it is a pain to pop that piece out. So I'm sure you're like me, you just kind of leave it, and now it's just 1 piece. So I'm gonna grab this 1 piece, that's technically 2, and put it on the left side of my 2x3 plate piece on top. And this is gonna be the turntable to our record. So the great thing about this is our record is actually going to turn. And now on the right side, I'm gonna grab a 1x2 plate in brown again. And the reason I'm being specific about your left and my right is because this is an old school record player. And you know, it was built for right-handed people. They didn't really take the left-handed people into consideration. In fact, if you were like my father, you got hit on the knuckles with a ruler if you started using your left hand. But I digress. So here's the right side, or our right, of the record player. On the back stud, I'm gonna grab one of these lever pieces. And again, technically 2 pieces, but you know we all keep them together for 1. So I'm gonna put that lever piece on the back stud so that when I push it down, it'll go over here where the turntable is and where we'll put our record. But for right now, I'll just leave that up so I can put my record on later. And now on this front stud, I'm gonna get a 1x1 round tile piece. Now, I'm sure you all have different kind of printed 1x1 round tile pieces, so just find a design that you like. And I like this. It's kind of got that circle center and it just feels like a knob that you turn to get the volume higher or lower. So I like that look of this very simple 1x1 tile piece, but use the one that you like the decoration with. And so now all we have to do is get a record, and just find any record piece you have. Now mine is from the Lego Movie 2 set, and one of the, I believe it's the Hula Lula minifigure, but grab your record, put it on the turntable, put your needle down, and listen to some classic tunes on your record player.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.